Yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get free Wi-Fi anywhere on your iOS and Android based devices. So we'll be using this app called the Wi-Fi Passwords. If you don't know what that is, it's a tweaked application which basically exposes the nearby passwords. Now I want to warn you about this, that actually does not support all the kind of Wi-Fi securities that are available, but it does support quite a significant percentage of them. So hopefully you'll be able to find free Wi-Fi networks anywhere you travel or if you don't have an internet connection. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how you can get this version of the Wi-Fi passwords on your iOS and Android based devices so you can get free Wi-Fi anywhere. So without further ado, let's get right on with the video. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the app from my device so I can exactly show you how to install it. So guys, without further ado, let's get right on with the video. So guys, before we can go ahead and get the Wi-Fi Passwords app so we can get Wi-Fi anywhere, the first thing we have to do is make sure our devices are ready for that. What I mean by that is simply making sure the background app refresh on our devices is set to the right option. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a setting on all iOS and Android based devices which lets us install modded or tweaked applications onto our devices without needing to jailbreak or root them. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this on iOS first, and then we'll move on with the Android devices. So in case you're using any iPhone, iPod or iPad, simply go ahead and open up your settings and scroll down until you see the general settings. Once you see general, just go ahead and click on that. Once again, scroll down and find the background app refresh option. Once you see it, just go ahead and click on that as well. Now make sure the background app refresh on your device is set to on. In case this option is not set to on your device, just go ahead and make sure you set it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now you could set it to Wi-Fi if you're using a Wi-Fi internet connection, but I recommend using Wi-Fi and mobile data just to be sure the app can go through no matter what kind of internet connection you're connected to. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and get to the Android device and show you exactly how to do this. So on your Android devices, go ahead and open up your settings as well. And scroll down until you see the battery option. Once you see the battery option, just go ahead and open that up. And once again, start scrolling down again. Now make sure the high performance mode on your Android based devices is set to on. This will force enable the background app refresh on our Android devices, and that is exactly what we want. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and move back to the iOS device because the rest of the process is identical on both of these devices, and you can follow exactly what I do on the iOS device on your Android devices. So once we've made sure of the background app refresh, the next thing we're going to do is simply go ahead and open up a browser. This can be Safari or Chrome, and go to the site called itweak.vip. Now make sure you get it right, it's itweak.vip. So once you're on the site, it's going to look something like this. Simply go ahead, click on the search bar and search for Wi-Fi Passwords app. So as you can see, we have the Wi-Fi Passwords app right here. Simply go ahead and click on that and click on Start Injection. This is going to start compiling all the injection files for the Wi-Fi Passwords app on our device. So just give it a couple of seconds to prepare this, and this should be all ready. Now just as soon as that's done, it's going to take us to this injection page which contains all the injection files that we have to add onto our devices in order to get the Wi-Fi Passwords app. All we have to do is inject the required files on our devices and follow the given instructions to unpack them on our devices. So I'm going to go ahead and inject the first injection file. It's going to open up in the App Store. Simply go ahead and download the injection file on your device and wait for it to download. Now just as soon as the injection file has downloaded, simply go ahead and open that up for 30 seconds. Now make sure you open the injection file for a minimum of 30 seconds just to be sure it has plenty of time to unpack on the device. So I'm just going to go ahead and play around the injection file for 30 seconds now. And that's going to be 30 seconds. Now let's go ahead and head back to the injection page and do the same with the last injection file. Download it on the device. And open this one up for 30 seconds as well. And just as soon as 30 seconds are over, simply go ahead and head back to the injection page to confirm if the Wi-Fi passwords app has been installed onto our devices. Now as you can see, it says the injection was successful, files have been injected, please restart the device. So once you see this, it means the Wi-Fi passwords app has been added onto our devices, and all we have to do now is go ahead and restart our device. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And once the device is powered off, I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on. And just like that, we have the Wi-Fi passwords app installed on our device. And guys, that is how easy it is. If you have any questions regarding the whole process, simply go ahead and leave them down in the comments and I'll look into it. And with that, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Make sure you hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one.